Hi, I have a 2008 Ford F150. It's just the XL model, the 4.2 liter V6, 8.8 differential. I had a bad rear bearing seal, or not rear bearing seal, the rear axle seal, which I haven't changed yet. I've got the emergency brakes done, which I see a lot of videos on YouTube saying that they were tough and whatnot, but you could see you got plenty of room. I mean, there's almost 2 inches right there, and I didn't even use a vice grip or clamps to clamp this on. It was just a matter of kind of working your finger in the back and getting this little thing right here. This was the hardest part. These come right off. And they go right back on, and same with the adjuster and all that. It came right back on. But anyway, the problem that I'm running into, that I haven't been able to work on this for a couple days, is that the little bolt that is right here, and that's what holds the pin in, it broke off, which I guess is very, very, very common. So it still has like 1 inch of the pin still left in it. I had to go on Amazon and order a kit that comes with a long drill bit and a little piece that fits inside the hole here, that has a hole in it, and then you put that drill bit in and it drills the center of that rest of that pin out, and then the kit comes with the reversing bit, and you put it in there. Now, I haven't tried it yet. Mail won't get here for another hour, and I really have to have this done today. I got to work tomorrow, but make sure that you're when you redo the diff cover, make sure this is really clean. Clean it really good. Put some alcohol on it and make sure it's really dry and free of you know, all the fluid and whatnot. And I also had an issue getting my rotor off on the driver's side, and there were a lot of videos. You know, I tried tapping the rotor on the outside. I tried hammering it on and spraying lubricant and all that. What I was able to do was stick a pry bar into this groove right here from behind on the other side and hammer it outward, and it finally just came right off. It's just another way of getting it done that I had not seen on YouTube. So I hope this video helps. The rear end on this one is also an 8.8 inch, no limited slip, so you don't have to worry about putting any additive in there. Maybe I'll make another video once the kit comes to drill out that hole or out that pin. So thanks a lot. See you guys later.